the so-called suffering that the jiva is undergoing in the material world, or that he's undergoing in order to nourish and support Krishna's pastimes, is actually a source of delight. The jiva's desire for independence has caused him to abandon the pleasure of serving Krishna and instead accept suffering in Maya. It's the jiva's choice. It's his independence. It's his fault. It's not Krishna's. This independent jiva is a beloved servant of Krishna. But Krishna is compassionate towards him. So seeing the misfortune and how he's misused his independence and is now suffering due to his attachment of Maya, Krishna chases after the jiva. He runs after the conditioned soul, weeping and weeping. And he comes to this material world and appears before the conditioned soul to deliver him. This is Krishna's pastime. His preaching lila, his preaching pastime. Krishna's heart melting with mercy for his jivas, he manifests his achintya lila in the material world, thinking that his appearance will enable the jivas to see his nectarian pastimes. But somehow the jivas don't understand the truth about Krishna's pastimes, even after receiving so much mercy by the compassionate Lord. So then Krishna comes again in Kali Yuga, descends as Sri Gauranga Mahaprabhu in Navadvip. Then he takes the form and plays the role of the Guru. He personally describes the process of chanting his own name and form, qualities and pastimes. And he personally instructs and inspires the jivas to take to this path of Nam Sankirtan, Bhakti Yoga, Shuddha Bhakti, Braja Bhakti. Well, this is also the Leela, Gaur Leela, in the material world. He personally inspires the jivas to take to this path by practicing it himself and showing everyone. So how can one accuse Krishna of being at fault in any way when he's so merciful? Krishna is so merciful, his mercy is unlimited, but our fortune is lamentable. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing that this is the Leela of the Lord, which is actually indicated here. So